guys, welcome to Code and Innovate YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to see how we can able to insert an element at the given position in an array. Okay, so previously we have completed how we can able to insert an element at the beginning of an array, and in another video we have seen how we can able to insert an element at the end of an array. In today's session, we are going to see about how we can able to insert an element at the given position of an array. So let's see here, they have given the sample input array, and then they have given the element which we need to insert, and at the same time they have given the position which in which we have to insert. So position we can consider as a 1. So at fourth position, we have to insert this data. So this will be a first, second, third. When it comes to fourth position, we have to insert 10. So and then remaining data as it is, we have to copy from my original array. So for this, let's see how we can think logically. So here the logical approach is what, in the sense whatever my zeroth data, it will be get into this. Now the position 4, it belongs to index 3, right? So that we what we can do in the sense, so just what I will do, whatever the element user has been entered, new element, whatever the new element user has been entered, I will store that in my, so this is the element the user was entering. Here what I am doing, so the element I will store in my position, right? So here if you listen carefully, and first thing we have to do -1 of the position, so that it will become index value. If the position is 4, it belongs to index 3. For that purpose, we are doing like this. So and then see guys, new element whatever we are getting, we are storing in a modified of that particular index data. Otherwise, if it is not equal, so remaining all the data will be from copied from original array to the modified array. For this insertion logic, what we have done in the sense, here see, so now zeroth position data will be copied. So before copying, before iterating each and every value, this modified array only we are going to iterate. So I have started with index I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. So I will check the condition. It should have to iterate up to this sixth length, and then each and every data, if you see, it is incrementing by 1 each and every index. So here, while entering into the loop, I am checking one condition. If my I value equal to position -1, the position has been entered by user is 4, right? So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So at the third index only we have to insert this data. So that now initially loop starts from 0th index. So I become 0, 0 equal to 3. It is not equal. If it is not equal, it will get into this else block. In this else block, whatever data I have in my 0th index, see here, I is also 0, j is also 0 initially. So 0th index data, I am gonna store copying this data into this modified array, so that whatever data I have in the 0th position index, it will be copied here. Next, what will be happen, after copying, it will increment the j value. So now j value from this position, what it will happen, it will be incremented for this position. So now after incrementing the j, the the loop has been ended. So after coming out from this if else, it will increment the I value. So from I is equal to 0, it will be incremented I is equal to 1. So now again it will check whether my I is now 1, right? So 1 equal to 3. So now again condition false. So it will enter into this else part. So what will be happen? My original of j. Now j is what? 1. So whatever in my first index data, this first index data I will convert in store it in this modified array. So this 2 will be stored in this array. So after storing, so it will increment the j value. So j value become 2. So now after that it will come out from this if else part. So again it will start its incrementing. So I value become plus 1. Previously your I is what? 1. So if I do plus 1, it will become I 2. So now your I value become 2. So 2 equal to 3. Condition again false. If it is false, whenever my if condition is false, it will enter into this else part. So at that time, whatever my index in j, that is whatever data I have in this, I will store in this modified array. After storing, what I will do, I will increment the j value. So j, previously it was 2, by incrementing by 1, it will become 3. So after that, it will come out from this if else part. It will increment the I value. So I plus plus. So previously it was 2. After incrementing, it will become 3. So after that, I will check 3 equal to 3 or not. If it is true, whatever the element has been entered here, okay, here we have entered, no, so we enter element to insert. So whatever user has been entered, that we have the data in this new element, okay. So that data I'm going to store in my array now at the 0th position. So for example, in sample input they have given the input as a 10. So I will insert the 10 here. At the 4th position, we have inserted 10. After that, after insertion, see now if has been, so whenever my if is true, condition true, it has been executed this if block. So after this if block, what will happen? It will come out of this if else, and then it will start its incrementing the I value. So from I is equal to 3, it will become I is equal to 4. So now after incrementing the I value, it will check 4 equal to 3. Condition false. When the condition false, it will enter into the else part. So whatever my data in my original array, I will be copied in the modified array. So this, see, so here I have 4. This 4 has been come to this part. So like this way it will be repeated. So after that again loop will be repeated. So now after entering the data, we will increment the j value. So j value will be incremented, it will become 4. So now we will come out of this if else part, we will increment the I value. So I value become 5 now. After that, what we'll do? We will check 5 equal to 3 or not. Here the condition false. So again else part will be work. So whatever I have the data in this position, I will store it here. So this is was my modified array. So thank you for watching. So if this was useful in the sense, please don't forget to like this video and share this for your friends, and comment what is the topic you expect for me to upload. So thank you guys. In upcoming we will see more.